Are you fed up with the unrelenting cough and cold? Are you waiting for a perfect solution to get rid of these problems? For issues such as cold and cough, Medtech has come up with one-stop solution. Medtech presents to you a steam inhaler, Handyvap 200. This amazing product offers some great features such as superfine steam, fast steam production, auto cutoff when the water tank gets empty. Some of the other great features of this product are aesthetic design, quiet operation, easy to use, premium quality long cord, 200 ml water tank. It can also be used for beauty facial treatments. So let's check what's inside the box. Inside the box you get the Handyvap 200 steam inhaler. Along with that you get the instruction manual. You also get 1 year hassle-free warranty delivered right at your doorstep. And in case you require any service, you can simply scan this QR code, fill up the form that pops up, and Medtech will do the rest. Medtech Handyvap 200 is one-stop solution for all your respiratory problems, isn't it?